Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll uncover the myths and truths about rosemary. We'll also uncover its real therapeutic effects on health and see if this promising herb can actually help prevent and treat some unwanted diseases. I'm pretty sure the last benefit is going to totally blow your mind. I want to hear from you now. Do you already use rosemary at home? If so, how do you usually enjoy it? Do you sprinkle it on your dishes, brew it into tea, or blend it into a smoothie? Drop a comment below and let me know. So what is it about rosemary that makes it such a powerful ingredient in our daily lives, and also so impressive from a scientific perspective? Can everyone benefit from this herb, or is there a risk group that should avoid consuming it? Is there a scientifically proven best way to consume rosemary? Let's chat about it. Well, what makes rosemary so powerful is its unique combination of compounds. It's rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory substances that can affect our bodies in profound ways. The key players are carnosic acid, rosmarinic acid, and essential oils like 1,8-cineol. Together, these compounds give rosemary a wide range of therapeutic effects. If you haven't heard about the latest scientific discoveries confirming what herbalists have always said about rosemary, and you want to learn more about its amazing health benefits now supported by modern science, be sure to watch the video till the end. But first, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's make this the most liked video on the channel ever. What part of the world are you from? After you've watched the video, drop a comment below so we can get to know each other better. Just a heads up, this video is for educational use only and isn't a replacement for professional medical advice. Rest assured, all info here is verified by a team of expert researchers. So let's look at some of the most compelling health benefits of eating rosemary daily. 1. Boost brain function. This is probably rosemary's most famous benefit, and for good reason. Multiple studies have found that rosemary can enhance memory, concentration, and mental clarity. A recent study in the International Journal of Neuroscience revealed that using rosemary oil for aromatherapy significantly boosted memory quality and mental alertness in 144 participants. The mechanism seems to be related to a compound called 1,8-cineol, which can cross the blood-brain barrier and interact with neurotransmitters. Rosemary also increases blood flow to the brain, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to brain cells. For students or anyone doing mentally demanding work, adding rosemary to your diet could give you a real cognitive edge. It's like a natural nootropic. A review from 2021 on animal studies showed that rosemary might boost cognition in animals, helping them with memory and learning. 2. Fights inflammation. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many modern diseases, from arthritis to heart disease to cancer. Rosemary is packed with anti-inflammatory compounds that can help combat this silent killer. Rosmarinic acid, one of rosemary's key components, has been shown to reduce inflammation in a variety of studies. It works by inhibiting certain inflammatory enzymes and molecules in the body. By eating rosemary regularly, you're giving your body powerful tools to fight inflammation throughout your system. This could potentially lower your risk for a whole host of chronic diseases. 3. Protects against cancer. While we don't have a cure for cancer yet, there's growing evidence that certain foods can help prevent it. Rosemary appears to be one of those foods. Multiple lab studies have found that rosemary extract can slow the growth of various cancer cells, including those of breast, colon, and leukemia cancers. The mechanisms aren't fully understood, but it seems rosemary can interfere with cancer cell replication and even induce apoptosis, cell death, in cancer cells. Of course, this doesn't mean rosemary is a cancer cure, but incorporating it into your diet might be a smart way to reduce your cancer risk. 4. Improves digestion. Digestive issues are incredibly common, but rosemary could offer some relief. It's been used traditionally to treat indigestion, bloating, and gas. Modern research supports these traditional uses. Rosemary has been shown to stimulate the production of bile, which helps break down fats in the digestive tract. It also has antimicrobial properties that may help balance gut bacteria. If you suffer from digestive discomfort, try adding rosemary to your meals. It could help soothe your stomach and improve overall digestion. There is another simple remedy for you. Mix 1 teaspoon of a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil with 5 drops of rosemary oil. Gently massage this magical blend over your abdomen. Doing this regularly can detoxify your liver and boost your gallbladder health. Give it a try and feel the difference. 5. Boost the immune system. A strong immune system is your body's first line of defense against disease. Rosemary can help bolster your immune function in several ways. First, its antioxidant properties help protect immune cells from damage. Second, its antimicrobial effects can help fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. And third, its anti-inflammatory properties can help regulate immune function. Research reveals that the carnosic and rosmarinic acids in rosemary boast impressive antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal benefits. Including rosemary in your diet regularly could help you ward off colds and other infections more effectively. 6. Improve circulation. Good circulation is crucial for overall health. It ensures that oxygen and nutrients are delivered efficiently to all parts of your body. Rosemary has been shown to improve circulation by dilating blood vessels and preventing blood clots. This could have wide-ranging benefits, from improved brain function to better heart health. If you have cold hands and feet or often feel sluggish, adding rosemary to your diet might help get your blood flowing better. 7. Reduces stress and anxiety. In our high-stress world, anything that can help calm our minds is valuable. Rosemary has long been used as a natural stress reliever, and science is starting to explain why. Studies have found that rosemary can lower cortisol levels in the body. Cortisol is often called the stress hormone because it rises when we're under pressure. By lowering cortisol, rosemary may help reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. So, get this. A study showed that when 22 young adults took a whiff of rosemary oil for just 5 minutes, their saliva showed a whopping 23% drop in the stress hormone cortisol compared to those who sniffed something non-aromatic. Cool, right? The scent of rosemary alone seems to have a calming effect. So even if you're not eating it, keeping a rosemary plant in your home or office could help you stay more relaxed. 8. Supports liver health. Your liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body, constantly filtering toxins from your blood. Rosemary may help support this crucial function. Research has shown that rosemary can increase the body's production of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that's particularly important for liver health. Rosemary also seems to help protect liver cells from damage and may even stimulate the growth of new liver cells. Given how many toxins we're exposed to in modern life, giving your liver some extra support with rosemary could be a smart move. 9. Improves skin health. Rosemary isn't just good for your insides. It can benefit your skin too. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties make it a potent helper against skin aging and damage. A 2023 review suggests that rosemary might be great for your skin. Its anti-inflammatory properties could even help with some inflammatory skin conditions. Rosemary extract has been shown to protect skin cells from sun damage and increase skin elasticity. It may also help reduce acne by fighting the bacteria that cause breakouts. While eating rosemary can benefit your skin from the inside out, you can also apply it topically. Rosemary oil is a common ingredient in natural skincare products. 10. Enhances hair growth. If you're concerned about hair loss, rosemary might be able to help. It's been used traditionally to stimulate hair growth, and modern research is backing this up. One study found that rosemary oil was just as effective as minoxidil, a common hair loss treatment, at promoting hair growth. It seems to work by improving circulation to the scalp and possibly by blocking DHT, a hormone linked to hair loss. Back in 2015, a study discovered that rosemary oil could be a promising treatment for androgenic alopecia. Participants using rosemary oil saw a significant boost in their hair count after just 6 months. Overall, the study suggests that rosemary oil might be effective for promoting hair growth in some cases. While more research is needed, adding rosemary to your diet or using rosemary oil on your scalp could be a natural way to maintain a healthy head of hair. 11. Reduces pain. Rosemary has natural analgesic, pain-relieving properties. This makes it potentially useful for a variety of painful conditions, from headaches to arthritis. The anti-inflammatory effects of rosemary likely contribute to its pain-relieving abilities. By reducing inflammation, it can help alleviate the root cause of many types of pain. While it's not a replacement for medical treatment, incorporating rosemary into your diet might help you manage chronic pain more effectively. 12. Supports bone health. As we age, maintaining strong bones becomes increasingly important. Rosemary might be able to help with this too. A recent study conducted by the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism showed that rosemary effectively reduces bone loss caused by calcium deficiency and could be a promising option for preventing bone resorption and osteoporosis. The mechanism isn't fully understood, but it's thought that rosemary's antioxidant properties may play a role by protecting bone cells from damage. So how can you start incorporating more rosemary into your diet? The good news is it's easy and delicious. You can use fresh or dried rosemary in cooking, add it to teas, or even take rosemary supplements. When cooking with rosemary, remember that a little goes a long way. Its strong flavor can overpower dishes if you use too much. Start with small amounts and adjust to taste. Rosemary pairs well with many foods, particularly roasted meats, potatoes, and other vegetables. You can also infuse olive oil with rosemary for a flavorful and healthy addition to salad dressings or for dipping bread. For a simple rosemary tea, steep a sprig of fresh rosemary in hot water for 5-10 minutes. This makes a soothing and aromatic drink that you can enjoy hot or cold. If you're considering rosemary supplements, it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider first, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or taking medications. Drug interactions, risks, and side effects of rosemary. It's worth noting that while rosemary is generally safe, it can interact with some medications such as medications for diabetes, anticoagulant, diuretics, lithium for mental health disorders, and may not be suitable for everyone. In very high doses, it can cause side effects like vomiting and spasms. But these risks are mainly associated with concentrated rosemary supplements, not the amounts typically used in cooking. The beauty of rosemary is that you don't need to take megadoses to benefit. Simply incorporating it regularly into your cooking can provide a steady supply of its beneficial compounds. In the end, rosemary is a prime example of how powerful natural foods can be. It's not a miracle cure, but it's a simple, tasty way to support your health on multiple fronts. From boosting your brain, to fighting inflammation, to supporting your liver, rosemary packs a remarkable array of benefits into a humble herb. So next time you're at the grocery store or farmer's market, pick up some fresh rosemary. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. That sprig of rosemary might just be the healthiest thing on your plate. We hope you enjoyed our deep dive into the awesome rosemary benefits as much as we did. Now we're curious, are you already consuming rosemary every day? Have you noticed any changes in your health? Drop your experiences in the comments below. Your stories might just inspire someone else to give this superfood a try. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and type yes in the comments section. Your feedback really keeps us going and helps us create more content like this. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips every week. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.